Check out this old beast. It's a lovely Lotec power hacksaw, but it has to make the way. One in, one out is the policy. So I got this power hacksaw a while back, but subsequently I've managed to get a bandsaw as part of another deal. So this one is kind of taking up space. It's a really nice machine, works really well, but it is time to move out. Found a buyer for it, and it's gone to its new home today, which means I can introduce to you the new base that's taking its place. Before I do that, however, the Zocca 500, which you saw on our rebuild back in the channel, I'll put a link up here to the playlist there, has also found a new home, which means we need another shaper. Check out this little beast. VFD or something?
Yeah.
That's single phase at the moment, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
I haven't tried it, but it's a
lovely device, yeah.
The device looks good.
Clappability. Nice little numbers. Sweet.
A can of kerosene and a bit of elbow grease, it should be good.
That's it for sure. Okay. Lovely.